Isn't it pretty? We're at the Botanical Gardens. No, Logie, we don't rip the flower out, baby. Leave the flower for everyone else to look at, bud. Everyone else wants to look at the flower. Oh, do you want to come and see what's up in a cage, Logie?
Yeah.
Should we go see? What is it? What's in there?
Monkey.
A monkey?
Yeah.
Maybe a monkey? Maybe there's some frogs in there. Lots of orchids. Look at these ones, girls. Can you see the orchids up there? Uncle Michael would love those. He'd like this whole cage.
And I think it's Olivia.
Yeah, I think you would too.
What is animals, Mum?
Animals? Oh, you're not going to see the animals in there. They might be just out on a field. Shall we go and have a look some more?
Yeah.
Come on. What did you find?
Where's Daddy?
He could just be just over here. Shall we go for a little walk, Logie?
I want to see pond again.
You want to see the pond again? You come over here, darling. There's a little lookout, Logie.
Why?
Come this way. Come this way. Oh, look at these ones, girls. There's pretty flowers. Oh, there's some jasmine. That's a star jasmine. Yeah, we've got those ones at home. Ah, look pretty. Do you like the water feature? And the lilies. Where's the dragonfly? Oh, look there. I seen it.
Dragonfly, Mum.
Where's the dragonfly? You tell me when you spot it and I'll try and get it.
Right there on the rope.
On the rope? On the rope. The dragonfly.
I'm trying to get that flower now.
No, you can't try and get those flowers. They have to stay there. We're not meant to pick the flowers.
But Mom,
We're meant to look at them. Oh, can you look up, Logie? That's pretty. Come on, Logie. Ah, look. These ones are called a peace baby. They're pretty. Tuna, like a tipituna. Oh, we had tipitunas in our house in Hockey Street. Come on, baby. I can see Daddy.
Yes! We saw a gecko. Like a large one, like that big.
Did you?
Like that big. Like that big.
Oh, I hope you find it again. What did you see?
I wanted to hang, but then it got away.
You found a sticker? Oh, look. So there's the orchid house, the sidewalk, a rainforest. Look, there's a rose garden. And we're going to go over the bridge. I'm looking up. Isn't it beautiful? It's really cool in here. It's been really hot on the Gold Coast.
Can you see the big hole under the tree? That's probably where something lives, but I wouldn't be sticking your hands in there.
Ooh, definitely spiders. Maybe snakes hide out in there. What do you think?
No lizards!
Lizards hide out in there, you reckon?
No geckos!
Geckos?
Mom, I think I saw the snake tail in there.
Oh, if there's a snake tail in there, I ain't going in there. Where does this walk go? Should we see where it goes to? If you saw a snake tail, let's run away from it. Come on. It was red. There's lots of different things around. What have we got? What's that big one? Which one is it?
Spider.
Is it this big one?
Spider.
That really big tree? Oh, the way up the one up that. A red cedar. You can see like the palm in front of it.
It's alright, Jackie.
It goes up really high. It's got really big roots on it. A red cedar.
What did it do? Went under the bridge. Well, let's keep walking.
Seeing snakes? Let's see what else we can find. There's fish.
Mom, what is that?
That looks like a little butterfly, or maybe a moth. That looks like a moth to me. I did see the butterfly that you seen. Do you want to come and see the fish?
Is any butterflies will stay here?
Yeah, I reckon so.
There's fishes in there.
There's fishies in here. Let's have a look. Show me.
Over near the waterfall, Mum.
Over near the waterfall. Oh, I can see it. He's flapping his little fins around. He's big one. Look at him over there. Can you see it, Charlie?
Oh, there's probably that in here. What is the head?
The head?
Yeah. On that tree.
A head on the tree.
Where? The flower?
Do you mean the big flower? The big white
Big
one?
white flower?
Yeah.
Some big elephant ears over there.
It's like this.
Oh, look, there's another one right there. Ellie's just spotted.
Actually, nice.
Oh, look at this big one right over here. Can you see that?
I see one up there. I see one up there.
You see one over there?
Yeah. You guys should look in here. You might see some.
Yeah, we're seeing lots of them. What did you find? You found like a little dragon puppy.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Dragon tiger.
It's cute.
Mom's a dragon tiger. It kind of looks like that thing from over the moon, but with no wings.
Yeah, yeah. The big ones from over the moon.
Mom, this is his wings.
You think that's his wings there?
Oh, that's his eyes. His eyes.
Where's his eyes, Charlie?
Eyes.
Where? His ears? Eyes? Nose? Oh, look, he's got his tongue poking out, Charlie.
Ah.
Mouth. Come on, Charlie. Fish?
Okay, so I'm pretty sure that we have seen. Wait, I'm pretty sure we've seen two lizards. One is a skink and one is a gecko.
Yeah.
And tadpoles. And a dragonfly.
Yes.
And fish.
And fish. So if there's tadpoles, what else could we possibly see?
Frogs.
Uh-huh. What have they found up here? A little lunch area?
Mom, it's so much
Oh,
up there.
look at this lizard they've got here on the rock.
I
It's just a little middle one.
nearly thought that
Oh, it's real? What did you find up here, Charlie?
a leaf, probably.
Oh, that's cool. Let's have a look. Come on, Charlie. What did you find, Logie?
My friend.
You found some plants? Hey, I think we've got a map here.
Yeah. And then another map.
Yeah, there's the map there. That's what we grabbed. Logie?
Like ants.
You've got some ants. Oh, found a bottle cap. We collect them, don't we, baby?
Yeah. I got jump in this.
Well, we're not meant to go in the garden beds. I can see the ants crawling around. Shall we go and find what we can find in the rainforest?
A big enormous lizard.
A big, enormous lizard?
Do
Do you want me to hold this?
You got bottle cap.
Yep, I got the bottle cap.
Mom, you got pocket.
I don't, but I'll stick it in our bag, baby. What you got, baby? You've apples. Cheese, love you. Logie's looking at the fishy again. Did you see the fish over there, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And
Shall we keep up with Daddy? Cheese, come on. In the rainforest. Hey, look, it's the rose garden. Oh, look at that. Do you see that owl? Wouldn't Grandma in Newcastle love that? There you go, Grandma, just for you. There's even one right up the top. It's hard to see. Oh, yeah. Look, can you see this? They've got like a little camera to record the animals, maybe in their gardens. Do you think that's what that is? Or is it a trap or something? It's got a little antenna on it. That's cool.
What's that?
Daddy thought that it could be a little camera that records animals. It says, can't read it, something alert. So maybe it alerts them when like big animals come in. Maybe that's what that is. That's really cool.
And when someone's take a dove and then what?
Yeah, well, maybe they try and catch what sort of animals getting into their park.
For Waz.
Oh, did you pick that for us? That's beautiful. Oh my goodness, do you smell it? That smells so lovely.
Yeah.
You don't think that smells nice? Take that one with you, Ellie Belly. We could keep the rose petals and put in your bath.
It's probably pee.
What's those ones, baby? They're pretty.
You can hold this because I'm
I'll hold the map.
Yeah. No, I'll hold
A tea rose.
I smell this one.
We've got names everywhere. What else have they got?
No, this one.
Hey, this one. Grandma's got this one in her garden.
Yeah, but I'm
Hey, look, there's a little bug in it. They smell good. Oh, Grandma's also got ones this colour too. Grandma has lots in her garden. Pretty. There's Dada. Oh, there's some people doing an exercise. They're doing a little exercise class over there. Can you see them? Maybe Tai Chi?
Yeah, check on the map, Mom.
Yeah, we found it.
Zero.
It's a sundial. And it's got some mosaics. Can you see the sundial?
It's like a shark.
Well, it doesn't actually spin around. What do you see?
It's like shark.
Like a shark fin. I get it.
Camera. There's no chameleons here.
No chameleons? Did you see the word camellia, maybe? Maybe they have camellia. Oh, are they called camellias or chameleons? Camellias. The trees. Oh, where? Here, no, camellias. They're a tree, Jackie. Wait, did you think there was some chameleon lizards? Oh, sorry to disappoint, baby.
Mama, I saw the lizard. I swear I saw the lizard.
Did you?
No.
I want to try and see a lizard. Super speedy, and it hid. Yeah.
Just like, no.
Oh, everyone's seeing lizards. I want to see some more lizards.
Mom, and that lizard was, what's this tree called again?
Do you mean the camellia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That lizard's called.
Oh, chameleon
Yeah.
is the lizard and a camellia is the tree. I'll let you know when I spot one. I think these are actually the camellias, that little hedge in front of us, but they don't have flowers right now. Oh, here. How about we get a bag for those? Let's catch up with Daddy and put them in the bag. Hey, baby. Oh, let's have a look. Can you see some tadpoles?
Yeah, they're massive. Look at those. Those were tadpoles just there.
Oh, I don't see them.
Just look.
He's seen orchid garden babies. Like, can we go find the ostriches?
Look right there.
Oh, I can see there's water bugs on the top.
No, there's big tadpoles on the bottom.
Come on, where are you? I can't see them.
Here, I'll get a rock.
You get a rock and try and scare them up my way.
Charlie, don't you
Mom,
know
look at mine.
Oh, what is it? Oh, you got a cicada shell.
Mom,
Show me.
Look.
That's super cool.
Look. Can you see the tadpole right there? See how it's missed?
Oh my gosh, yes I do. He is humongous. Let's see if there, right there.
Mom, look.
You got this cicada shell?
Yeah.
I haven't heard any cicada. Oh wait, now I can hear one.
He's hiding. I want
Oh,
to
he's
get
going in, isn't he?
it. I want to get it.
No, you can't get it.
Mom, yes,
Let's go see what else we can find, Logie.
Come on, Mom. Yes, what's that?
Let's do it.
Iron.
I can see you.
Maybe plastic.
Maybe plastic? What does it sound like? Tap it again.
sound like metal.
Yeah, you got it. I can see you're balancing.
Let me on it.
Oh, he'll give you a turn. A big egg.
Spider.
A big spider on there. Hello, Spidey. Come on, Nelly Belly.
Oh, it smells like pig.
Really? Are you sure? Hey, we're going up this way with Daddy. We're not going without you, Logie. Hey, buddy.
We have reached the end of the track over there, so we're going back over here. And there's my dad.
Oh.
And there's the sky. Mommy, it's purple.
It could be.
Alright, let's go find some waterfall.
No.
Dragonflies are meant to be good luck too. Hey, Logie.
Oh my goodness!
That's a gigantic leaf. What could you do with that leaf? You guys just had a gigantic fight about that leaf. And then we talked about other people wanting to have some quiet and a nice time. But we don't know what they are.
Wild kakaki.
If we don't know what they are, should we eat them?
No!
Should we just try one?
No. Them will kill you.
Yeah, we just don't know. What do you think, Logie?
Where's Dragonfly?
The dragonfly, he flew away.
I saw him.
Should we go and catch up to the rest of the family? Let's go.
Yay! Alright. Go away those
Go away
berries.
those berries, yeah. Watch your step, baby.
Mom, you know, I find them. Look at this.
Yeah, I know. It's getting very hot here. Shall we get ready and go find a waterfall? Go for a little drive into the mountain? Oh, that's lovely. I'm getting fanned. Go along the path.
Look how big.
Most gigantic spider I've ever seen on its babies. Because his little brother was running down and he was worried he was going to get him. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Oh.